This application, Financial Insights, is basically a comprehensive third-party platform which work as add-on for financial systems, and it seamlessly integrate with existing financial system installation to provide essential business management capabilities that complement and extend core financial functionality. And if I go a bit of backstage story, so basically during vibe coding jam, I thought I wish to do something which we can use more professionally, or which could help us to generate more ideas for our existing products. The thought behind this is that I don't want to touch the existing system, but if our customers are already using our system, then what could I provide them as an add-on which could ease their life? The people I kept in mind is more directors or managers who want to see the reports, maybe CEO or CFO. So that I kept in mind while designing this application. So the concept is that we have all our data existing into the financial system, and this app is supposed to connect with that, and here into the credentials page you can connect with the existing system. What I did is I created a demo environment, and I created this app using Replit, and it's definitely very handy tool to use, and I could study the database here, and knowing this database also helped me to create mock database. Do we need some technical background for that? I would say definitely no. This is more about prompt engineering and your creation and your ideas, but it help. The more you know, the more it help, but you don't need it. So if you have some idea, if you can write a prompt, if you cannot take the help from Gemini, and take the help maybe from Replit itself and ChatGPT, create a nice prompt and execute it. The most important thing is focus on your first prompt, and for that you should have a clarity of thoughts that what exactly you want to build in, what kind of a layout do you want. I am pretty satisfied with the layout and user interface Replit has provided. Mild colors which I can see for long, and it divide different areas in a concrete way. So in this block you can see new reports, in this block you can see active reports, in this block you can see recent activities. It's not like that everything is hodgepodge in one page. Okay, and yes, another most important thing which I don't like is that for every tool I have to go through a training how to use that tool. I believe every tool is very user friendly and very easy to use. So I have a small documentation for that, just to get the idea what this tool is, and say if I want to sell my tool somewhere, then I can just share this document with them. Hey, my tool provide you these additional features, and you can use it on top of your existing financial system, and if you wish, this is a small POC, but we can enhance it further. And on top of that, on every page I provided a small guideline. Not every, but pretty much every page I provided a small guideline that what this page is about. And okay, now let's go to different features which this tool is providing you. So this part, first one is the quick dashboard, which as a CEO of my company, I could come and quickly see every day. Okay, I have 6 active reports. These are scheduled for today. I have few failed deliveries, and then I can go, okay, what has been failed, and I could dig deeper into that. Otherwise, I know, okay, everything is running good. So a quick overview of your business, how many reports are running, recent activities, key numbers, etc. Then financial report, and what does this mean? So As a CEO, what do I want is I want daily sales report. I want to see maybe monthly profit and loss report, weekly outstanding receivables to ensure that everything has been clear out, and cash flow statement and balance sheet. So I can create these reports here. What I did is to just expedite this POC, I asked it to Replit to provide also some test demo reports. So if somebody wants to test this app, then it's very easy for you to just click on daily sales report. It will generate a demo sales report for you, and you can do what the next features of it. So here we go. So let's assume we got a very nice demo balance sheet report, and it will come in my mailbox every month. And next run is for, again this date is not so perfect, I think it's for, okay, it is perfect. So it is for 1st of August 2025. So great, at 2 p.m. I will get this report and the status is active, and I click on send. And if I click on send now, that means I will get this report already now as well. Here what I did is you get the message, your report has been sent successfully, but I haven't configured the email feature because I have to connect with SendGrid email API, which I don't want it to do. I just want it to be, being more on safer side, and no third-party integrations. Other thing which I can do is I can download this report, XML, JSON I have chosen for maybe some technical purposes if somebody wishes to do some more work on top of this, but otherwise PDF, Excel sheet or CSV format should be good enough. Let's see how does it look, the PDF format. I have also configured it so that I can save this report on the place, my chosen place, instead of it was saving it automatically. And this is how it look. So demo balance sheet report, executive summary, these are my current assets, these are non-current assets, and these are my total assets. Let's see how does this. I can click for something else, maybe cash flow report, and once again I save it, I open it, and that's how CSV file is looking. I haven't tried to really verify the data, so if you might notice it, but this is more of POC. I checked for other format also, and the format was good enough. So basically some sample auto generated demo reports, and you can create your own reports as well, and it should give you also details of the recent activities. Here in the schedule I can see that what are the schedule. Okay, this one daily sales management, daily sales report, demo daily sales report, they are scheduled for every day. So I think as a salesperson or sales director, or maybe as a CEO, I would be happy to see everyday sales report instead of chasing somebody to send me the reports, but I can automate those. Then at a very quick glance I can see what all projects are running in my company, and what has been closed and what are still running, when they have started. Time tracking. So this is basically log your work hours for different projects, so you can bill clients accurately. It's like a digital timesheet that automatically calculates how much or charge based on your hourly rate. I was confused. Do I need this module here? And I'm still confused. But let's go on to budget dashboard. I think this is very nice dashboard to be here. Project pay budget dashboard. So basically track budget utilization, profitability, and project performance metrics as well. So budget overview. So how much of budget I have allocated for some project, and then how much has been spent already. And if I see something is going on red side, then it's a red signal for me and I can take some action. And same ways budget utilization, so 29% has been utilized already, and then I could see, okay, how much of the work is still left. Then profit analysis, time tracking, time budget versus actual time which has been spent. I think these were not working, or these are okay. So project status distribution and budget distribution. So where data migration project, okay, so where basically the budget is, how basically budget is distributed in my company. So I can see, okay, this mobile banking project maybe is 85,000, so maximum of the budget, and then the detailed view. Then expenses as well. This also I liked, and it perfectly, it goes like it really complement, these two really complement each other. They really go together nicely. So in this I can see that, okay, where my company is mostly spending travel and transportation, office supplies, software tools, okay, and then how much I'm spending and where. So these kind of segregations help us to analyze that where we are spending more and what we can do about it. Maybe in this we can have more graphical visualization as well, that in these categories how much we have spent already. So that is this kind of distribution chart, so it would look very nice along with this expenses categories. Then similar financial analytics and forecasting, which our finance team always do, and I think they would love to have something like this. Then this is also a feature which I thought you can read it here. So this is like, as a director of the company, it's a digital address book for you, which is you just log into the app and see who all are my clients, and do we need to plan any meeting and how things are, or do I want to talk to them about something. So this digital, simple, elegant feature, but quite useful. Then billing and invoicing automation. This feature I'm not sure how much it could be used, because sometimes billing amount is not same always, but if it is same, for example this property maintenance, so every month we pay the same amount for our apartment, so then what they can do, they can schedule some automation for that, and yes, schedule automation for say incorporated already, not a consulting, and then start packs, select the project, maybe this one, frequency I want it to be monthly, billing date would be 1st of July, so 1st 15th of July, and amount every month is 1700 euros. And then I could write this, okay, for this project, and this is how the monthly rate is, and it should send it automatically every month. And if I say send now, I'm not sure what it does, I haven't tested it, but we can implement this feature if this is interesting for anybody. And then audit logs, okay, as a director I won't be much interested into this, but then some documentation part, if I find this tool useful, maybe I can read more about it, and if I want the more features, then I can make the request for those. So Thank you so much. I stop the recording now.